So check out what we've got going on this morning. Foreman's in the tractor, nice and warm. So this morning I'm building a building for my sawmill. So the idea here is that this building's going to be 13 feet wide by 40 feet long. And yesterday I did a bunch of groundwork with the tractor, so I had to make sure that all my gravel and stuff was quite level here. And I have a laser level here, so I took my laser level, and it emits kind of a neat rig. It emits a red dot laser, and then I can take a reference point down to where my blocks are going to be. So what I'm going to be doing, this is a small patio block. What I'm going to be doing is putting one of those every 12 feet all along there and making sure I'm level all the way around. Back here, as you can see, I've put a small orange string here, and this orange string is completely level all the way back here and back this way. So the idea, what I'm doing is I've already sawed up a bunch of hemlock beams, 7-inch by 7-inch beams, 12 feet long. And I'm gonna set these hemlock beams down onto those blocks. So every time there's a seam at every 12 feet, the hemlock beams will set on these blocks, just so that they set off the ground so they don't rot. So what's going to happen is that'll be my foundation. So I'll be putting hemlock beams, wooden beams all the way around, and then I'll build my 2x4 walls on top of that. I know it's a different way of doing it. Other than that, I'd have to put a concrete pad down and put concrete walls, dig down in there. That would have been a really costly venture. It's just it's only a shelter for the building. I mean, it's going to be a nice shelter. I'll be able to saw lumber in my building practically all year long. So what's going to happen is, I'll roll my logs into the building, and I'll be able to saw. If it's raining, I'll have lights in there, and it'll be a nice place to saw lumber. That's where my sawmill will stay. And I'll have a door on the end, so I'll be able to drive in and out. So check it out. The work we did today. I'm missing two pieces, so I'll have to go back in the woods and cut another hemlock down. One hemlock should do it. I'm missing a piece there and there. So this is 13 feet wide and 48 feet long. See, there's 4 pieces of 12 feet. So what I did was I leveled the cement blocks, make sure they were level, and they sit on top of that, and they keep going. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. So if I wanted to, I could start studding and framing some walls here and along here and along there, and then I'll put some trusses on top, and I've got tin roof for the roof, and I'll just put maybe I'll put hemlock or spruce, I'm not sure. I'll put board and bat. And so what's going to happen, the sawmill will come in from the end here. There'll be a door on the end. The sawmill back in here up until here, and I'll have my log bunk sitting here. So I'll have logs like this, and I'll have a hatch 18 feet wide, and the hatch will open and I'll be able to roll some logs in there and onto the sawmill. And then the next plan is to have I've got another 18-foot opening on this side, so I'll have like opening doors. So I'll be able to, the sawmill, I'll be sawing lumber here, it'll come out there and out here. I'll be able to park the tractor here and get it out this way. So I'll have a door going out there and a door coming out here. 12-foot door there, like a 10-foot door there, an 18-foot door here, and an 18-foot hatch. And I say 18 feet because I've got I-beams 18 feet that I'll be able to make good solid headers on. So there you go. Coming right along.